Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today I have a few things around my house that I need to get done. Now that it's springtime, I've been busy getting my pots planted with these beautiful flowers. My courtyard and my backyard are extensions of our home. We treat it like extra living spaces, so I like to keep them fresh. So how about you? Have you started to plant your spring garden? I know that it's a little early for some of y'all, but here in Texas it's perfect timing. I bought these hanging basket hooks and pots from Amazon. I wanted something that was very sturdy but not permanent. These hooks easily grip tight to these rails. I really like them. We are currently in the process of designing a pool for this tiny backyard. It will be more along the lines of a plunge pool, or some call it a spool. Just something nice for my grandkids to play in. It all will come back once the tables turn. My grandson Chase is going to go ahead and water these little plants that I still need to get into this pot. Okay, so I threw my sheets into the dryer and now I'm going to wash all my throw blankets. After we do this, we're going to go ahead and vacuum up my window sills. This is the season in Texas that we have these flying insects. They're called crane flies and they resemble a very large mosquito, but they don't bite. I grew up thinking that they ate mosquitoes, but I just learned that as adults, they don't eat at all. Interesting stuff, but they creep me out and need to go bye-bye. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm the mom to 3 moms and a son. I started this channel to encourage other women to reclaim the peace in their homes through cleaning, organizing, and setting up routines. We are currently in the middle of a 6-month Declutter and Organize challenge. We are going through our homes decluttering and organizing. I post the week's challenge on Sunday, giving you ideas of how to declutter and organize that space. And you can watch me and sometimes one of my daughters get it done in our homes. We've already completed the master bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, and living room. And on Sunday, we'll be doing our entryways. If you're interested in these types of videos, I would love to have you as a member of my channel. So please click the subscribe button and leave me a comment on where you're from and how you found my channel. I love getting to know you down in the comments.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet.
I've been looking for white velvet hangers with silver hooks to match the ones that I have here in my closet. And I thought that I found them on Amazon, but when I got these in, they're not velvet. I went ahead and I hung clothes on them anyways, thinking that it wasn't really that big of a deal. But it is a big deal because the clothes just slide right off those hangers. So I'm going to go ahead and return these, but I need to get them packaged back up first.
I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are...
I'm going to put them here by the front door in my return pile. I also have some solar lights to return. They just didn't work out either. Then we'll go ahead and get started in the kitchen and get it cleaned up. The weirdest thing happened to the clip of this video, and if you look at it, you can see the camera shaking. I thought maybe it was the dog hitting it, but I'm not sure. I ended up having to cut the clip short because the movement got pretty bad. Very strange.
But it bunch of stuff you never meet, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah.
Here's the reality of the mess that I'm dealing with here on this stove top. I'm going to go ahead and spray the degreaser and let it sit while I get the counters cleaned.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Here very soon, I'm going to be adding more zone cleaning videos. I've told you in past videos that the beauty of the Fly Lady system is that it can be modified to work for your current season of life. And now that I'm in a new season of life, I will continue to tweak it to work for me. As you know, I have a grandson with me during the day, and he has a new baby brother coming in July. So I want to be prepared for his arrival by having all my zones adjusted to work with having a brand new baby in the house. Zone cleaning is a lifesaver, and I've been using it in my life since my adult children were young. At the time, I didn't know anything about the Fly Lady system, but I always did some sort of zone cleaning in my home on my own. If you aren't familiar with zone cleaning, I will add a playlist at the end of this video of what zone cleaning is and how to accomplish it in each area of your home.
It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic.
Just a little bit more about zone cleaning. My life right now is about being in the lives of my grandkids. I don't want to be a slave to cleaning my house. I want to spend the majority of my time with my kids and my grandkids. The best way for me to do this is to first get my house decluttered of the things that I no longer need or use, and then to set up a cleaning routine like zone cleaning. Spending 45 minutes to an hour a day of following my morning and evening routines and an hour a week of deep cleaning a zone will keep my house in order and give me the feeling of peace that I need so that I can enjoy my grandkids. If you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, you really should be. Anyways, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that in any given day, I have one or more grandkids in my home, and I want to be able to spend the majority of that time with them. Now, I know you may be asking, what is my grandson doing while I'm filming? And usually, he's either right next to me, or like right now, he's taking a nap. But in just a second, he'll be awake and playing with his Play-Doh at the bar.
You can show me a new place to start, and you decide if you want to play pretend, and you decide if you want to see me again, if you want to see me again.
Oh, it's Rapunzel and Flynn Rider?
I love how to have long hair.
She does have long hair. I love it, Chase.
Tangled.
Oh, on Tangled, the movie.
Flynn had Tangled.
Yes, Grammy does have Tangled.
Flynn had two of them.
I have two Tangles. Yeah, you like them both? Yes.
Yeah.
Well, you did a good job there, Bubby.
I don't know makeup on that.
No. He's such a sweet boy. He has a thing for long hair. He comes from a family of hairstylists, so maybe it's in his blood. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the sheets on my bed. Now, this is the first time that I'm putting the sheets on this split mattress by myself. Those who follow me know that I've spent over a year with a frozen shoulder, which is giving me limited range of motion of my left arm. But about a month ago, I started to notice some improvements. So hopefully within the next few months, I will have full range of motion. Oh, that'll be a good day. As you can see, I'm still on the hunt for bedside tables. Because I need a specific height, I'm having a hard time finding what I want. Oddly enough, I have found that baby changing tables are a great height. No, now we're not talking about the old-fashioned baby changing tables. These ones are pieces of furniture that you have a changing pad that's added to the top of it, and when it's removed, it's a small chest of drawers. I'm seriously considering going this route, but I'm not quite sure yet.
And that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, would you please give me a big thumbs up? It lets YouTube know that you think that I'm doing a good job. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click that red button and don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'm working very hard at reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers and could use your help by sharing my channel with others just like yourself. Don't forget that at the end of this video, I'll be leaving a playlist of my zone cleaning routines, and down in the description box, I will link the hanging planter hooks and the planter baskets if you're interested in seeing them and reading their reviews. I'll see you on Sunday where we will declutter and organize our entry closet. I'll also be adding in organizing my shoe cabinet and the drawers in my entry table. Until I see you then, stay blessed, my friends.
Makes me go crazy. Hey. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let